Hi there, students. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock on the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, don't be late. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 11, 12, dig and delve. So what's this verb to delve? Okay, to delve, to me the first idea is you put your hand in a pocket or a drawer and you rummage around for something. So I'm sure it's somewhere here in my bag. Where is it? 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 Ah, here it is. Okay, to delve, to look around for something. Or you dig a hole and you delve around in it to see what you found. So it's to push the things around and try and find something. Okay, and that to me is the first meaning of to delve. You can also use delve to mean to research something, to make deeper inquiries into it. I'm not sure of the exact reason why this happens, but let me delve into it and I will give you the answer tomorrow. He's always delving in the dictionary for the etymology of words. He wanted to discover more about this subject and delved into the reference books. Notice you delve into something, yeah? You can also use to delve in a way meaning to explore something new and uncertain. So he delved into the leafy forest. He moved away the leaves and went in to look at it for the first time. So it's to also here to study something, but from the beginning, to find out a little bit more about it and continue into it. He has delved into several new fields of research. So he's looking into it, but he's not certain if he will follow that up or not. Okay, so to delve. Notice to delve is a regular verb. He delved into the bag. He has delved into the dictionary various times looking for this. I need to find out more about this. Let me delve into it. Notice in the past this word delve used to be used to mean to excavate, to dig up. But we don't normally use it in the physical sense of dig anymore. It's look around for something. Yeah, you saw me delving in my bag. But you could delve into a source of information to find what you're looking for. Or you could delve into a new field, find out more about it to decide if you're going to like it or not. So apparently this word delve comes from an Old English word, delphan, which means to dig. Okay, so to dig a hole. Now, next question, formality. I think this word is probably a neutral word, maybe very slightly formal, 5.5. I think you could definitely use it in an informal conversation, and it would sound good in a formal document because it's not the type of word that students commonly use. Okay, so to delve, to try to find something in a mess of things. He delved into the pile of papers in his desk and pulled out the one he wanted. Yeah, he delved into the drawer to find a pen that actually worked. Okay, so to investigate further, to rummage around and see if you can find the thing that you're looking for. And a nice flexible word you can use anywhere. So, there you go, to delve. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To delve.